G'day lads, just want to show you this new console that I'm going to be putting in here. I'll take you inside and have a look at it in a second, but I've been doing a bit of work on the van. I had to do some wiring the other day for my head unit, but I've got the motor in there to replace in the top air conditioning. My control here is not working for the AC. I can have it on low and high, but not medium, which I think is a resistor. But I do have new, or second hand rather, replacement part for here and for the front there that are stripped from a 95 Tarago. So I've got the parts to do the job, and doing the front calipers and a few other things as well. So a couple of videos coming soon. Anyway, I'll go and grab that console. Actually, I'll take you inside, show it to you first, and then we'll put it in and see how well it fits. Hopefully between those points there really well. Alright, so here's the console, looking rather smart. I'll tell you what, for $100, I couldn't build that for $100. That's what I've got on eBay. I'll put the description to what it's called in eBay, because a lot of times you put links in and then a year later those links don't work anymore. The kids were playing with it earlier, so we're looking at it, got a bit of food on it, I think. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know if these are refrigerated, but I do know that these become lit up. I think they're blue, and that's probably to turn them on and off. Anyway, we'll look at that when it's in the van. You got power connection there, and you got power sockets there, 2 USB at the front. I don't know if I would actually use that as a cigarette lighter, this is going for an extension lead and the load is going to be going on it. But you could put charger ports or something in there. Just got to be careful of not using it for that purpose. I don't think that's part of that. Okay, so and I'm impressed by it. Arrived here a day and a half after I ordered it. That's impressive, because I didn't expect it to arrive for at least a week. It's just, like I said, the kids were looking at earlier, so got a bit of greasy fingers on it. Alright, let's put it in the van. And there you go, check that out. That's a perfect fit. It squeezes it in between the armrest, but most Taragos don't have the armrest anyway. This is a TCR11, TCR21 thing, or in Australia it is anyway. But that's a perfect fit. Now if I didn't have the armrest, you can still access to adjust the chair, and there's plenty of room to fit between the two seats. And these are genuine Tarago seats, so it's definitely excellent. And for me, because I've got the armrest, this part here is a little bit, got the armrest to slide against, but it's not really, you can see it's really not that much of an obstruction. Nice deep bucket. The cup holders don't get cold, but that's okay, because you really don't know if you're going to put coffee in there or if you're going to put a cold drink in there, so that's fine. I'd say it's probably, well, not insulated, but still it offers some sort of insulation with what's in there. And you can turn the lights on and off. I think they come in two different colors, purple and blue. And I can see that there's a light coming in from the other side, so I open up the other door and we'll have a look at the other side. So there you go, LED lights behind there. This is really well designed. I'm impressed that it's so cheap and looks so nice. Very happy with it. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next couple of clips, guys. Maybe food for thought. Grab a center console. Till next time, cheers.